Hey there, I'm Parthoshi, exploring the field of RPA and sharing my learnings with you by making videos. So this video is going to be very interesting because if you are a beginner to UiPath StudioX and you are waiting to learn some interesting things what you can do using UiPath StudioX, then definitely you are going to enjoy this video. So let's start with a quick overview of what we are going to say in this video. So in this video, we are going to scrape the data from a website. Now, scraping in simple or layman terms, you can say, is getting the data from the website and saving it somewhere. So let's see what we are going to do and how we are going to do. And this complete process is going to be done using UiPath StudioX. So now what I want is I'm planning to buy an iPhone, but I want a list which are like trending iPhones and their prices and all that. So I'm very much bored to like keep say scroll, see each of the websites and all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape the data from the website, like get the data and make a Word document or else a PDF. We are going to see both the things, how we can make a Word document or a PDF. So you see, there is this iPhone, there is price, there is iPhone, there is price. So you can see there is I think maybe 25 or 30 iPhones are listed along with their price on this page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bot for myself in UiPath StudioX and scrape all this data and make a Word document with table in that. So let's get started. Now the very important feature to scrape the data from a website is table extraction, which you can see over here. Now table extraction is basically, now when can a table be extracted? First, let's understand that. So when there is some pattern in your data, which you want to gather from the website. So now you can see there is this, there is the price, there is this, there is the price, there is this, there is the price. So you see the phones are listed on the left hand side, the prices are listed on the right hand side. So there is a pattern you see being followed over here. So now let's see how we can extract that. So I'm going to click on this table extraction feature and you see the first point, open your browser, application or document and navigate to where you want to extract the data from. That we are already done. Press next in this dialog and hover the mouse cursor over a data source field. Click on that field. Next, I'm going to click on this. So you see there is selection option over here. You can pause it. You can, there are different features to be explored. Okay. So it is telling me to indicate a second element to create a pattern to which my this bot can understand. I'm going to click on next and simply going to indicate this. So now if you see, it has highlighted all the mobile names over here. It means it is able to understand that pattern for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this as model. You can extract the URL as well, but no, I'm not going to do that. Next, you see, I have all the data over here. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the correlated data, which is this, the price. Next, the price. Okay. So now I'm going to name this column as price. Save. So now you see, I have all the data over here. Now I can create, I'm going to further create a Word document of this, and then maybe you can send it to your friend, you can send it to your relatives, you can send it to whomever you want. So now one thing what we can notice is here, there is a discount also offered. So we all are very much concerned about that when we buy new phones. So let's also try to extract this as well. I haven't tried, but let's see if we can do that. 10% off. Okay. Next, 10% off. Okay. Okay. So I think it is able to do it for me. Yes, it is. Definitely it is able to. Discount offered. Okay. And next. Okay. So you see, I have the discount offer as well. For Apple iPhone 7 Plus, we can't see. So maybe there is no discount offer over there. Okay, that's not the problem. But we see we have all the data to which the discount is offered. So I'm going to click on finish over here. Okay, so now you can indicate the multiple pages as well. As you can see, there are 203 results you can do as well. So let's try doing that as well. So you see the next button is over here. So now in this feature, what you need to do is you need to indicate the next button, but not this number, because once you indicate 2, it will just go to 2. So I'm going to click on yes, and I'm going to click on next. So I want it to go to multiple pages and extract the data for me. Okay. So now it will automatically open the browser, it will get the data for me, and it will extract it. So I wanted to save that data for later use, which I'm going to name it as iPhone database. Okay. Now here also we are going to use word activities. Now to use word activities, what you need to have is word application scope. I'm going to name my file as, again, iPhone model data, and save. Now what I want to do is I want to create this same table in my Word document. You can do that using insert data table in document. So data table is like a properly structured data in a format of table. That is a simple explanation for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this, select a value which we have saved for our later use, that is iPhone database, and I want to insert it to the start. Okay, so let me save this. Let me close my browser over here. Okay, so now what we have done it before running it, let's see. So we are opening our browser, we are extracting the data, we are creating a Word file, and we are inserting the data. To understand how to use word activities, what are word activities, what are activities, please do watch the previous videos of this same playlist. So I'm going to click on run, and let's see whether we are able to get our data in our Word document or not. You see it's going 49 to 72, it's going further 73 to 96, 97 to 120. It is going to go to till wherever like we see the model. You see at the back the Word document is also getting typed. Okay, so now I think we have almost completed our process. Yes, we have. You see the process is completed. I have the result extracted over here. Okay, now let's see whether we have a Word document with us with the complete data. Okay, yes, we do have the discount. Where the discount is not offered, it didn't give us the error, but it just didn't get the value for us. So you see, now if we calculate the time that human will take to do this complete process, I think a human maybe take more than 1 or 2 hours to do this task for us and get all the iPhone details. Maybe if you are planning to buy this, maybe you want to do data analysis, here is a good opportunity where you can use all this data. So I hope you learned something new in this video, and you understood one more interesting concept of StudioX and the capability of UiPath StudioX that can help you to ease your business daily task. Thank you for watching the complete video. Keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Learning by Doing. Thank you.